Welcome to S&P Knowledge Series. In this episode, let's understand what is Lean, authored by SN.Panigrahi. Authorized Training Partner ATP, Instructor of PMI, USA. What is Lean? Lean is a way of thinking about creating needed value, with fewer resources and less waste. Lean is a practice consisting of continuous experimentation to achieve perfect value with zero waste. Lean is defined as a set of management practices to improve efficiency and effectiveness by eliminating waste. The core principle of Lean is to reduce and eliminate non-value adding activities and waste and smoothing the process flow. Lean includes a wide range of principles and tools. Lean is not about cutting costs, it is about removing waste without sacrificing quality. Lean thinking: waste comes from unnecessary steps in the production process or services that do not add value to the finished product services. Lean is derived from the Toyota Production System (TPS), which was initiated in the late 1940s. Origin of Lean. The groundwork for Lean is the Toyota Production System (TPS). Lean is derived from the Toyota Production System (TPS), which was initiated in the late 1940s. Toyota could not use the mass production systems practiced by the major car manufacturers as they did not have the resources, so they came up with a philosophy of doing more with less by eliminating waste and improving process flow. Origins of Lean. After the World War II in 1930s, facing severe shortage of raw materials and escalating costs, Kiichiro Toyoda, Teiichi Ohno, and others at Toyota studied Ford production system. Toyota inspired from the Ford's flow of production concept, which delivered cars at lowest cost. Ford's system focuses on mass production, batch process, however, suffered inability to provide variety, resulted in increased throughput times and also generated huge inventories. Teiichi Ohno, popularly called as Father the Toyota Production System (TPS), devised the 7 wastes, or muda in Japanese, as part of this system. The premise of this new system is to change the focus from the use and utilization of individual machines, Ford's batch process, to the one-piece flow manufacturing, the flow of the product through the total process. The Toyota product system aims at reducing the cost of production, enhancing the quality of products and increasing the throughput times so that the dynamic customer needs are met faster. Roots of the Toyota Production System (TPS). The Toyota Production System (TPS), which is based on the philosophy of the complete elimination of all waste in pursuit of the most efficient methods, has roots tracing back to Sakichi Toyoda's automatic loom. TPS has evolved through many years of trial and error to improve efficiency based on the just-in-time concept developed by Kiichiro Toyoda, the founder and second president of Toyota Motor Corporation. Waste can manifest as excess inventory, extraneous processing steps, and defective products, among other instances. All these waste elements intertwine with each other to create more waste, eventually impacting the management of the corporation itself. The automatic loom invented by Sakichi Toyoda not only automated work that used to be performed manually, but also built the capability to make judgments into the machine itself. By eliminating both defective products and the associated wasteful practices, Sakichi succeeded in rapidly improving both productivity and work efficiency. Kiichiro Toyoda, who inherited this philosophy, set out to realize his belief that the ideal conditions for making things are created when machines, facilities, and people work together to add value without generating any waste. He conceived methodologies and techniques for eliminating waste between operations, between both lines and processes. The result was the just-in-time method. Founding Fathers of TPS. Lean thinking. Origin. The roots of Lean. Lean was not born in a classroom. In fact, Lean originally came from the car company, Toyota, where Lean was practicing as a unique business model used by this successful car manufacturing giant to reduce waste and improve process flow. The term lean was first coined by Mr. John Krafcik in his 1988 article, Triumph of the Lean Production System, based on his master's thesis at the MIT Sloan School of Management. Mr. John Krafcik was working for James P. Womack on the thesis work. Dr. James P. Womack popularized the concept of lean by publishing a book called The Machine That Changed the World, authored jointly with Mr. Daniel Jones and Mr. Daniel Ruse in 1990, and later wrote another book with Daniel Jones, titled Lean Thinking. The Toyota Way 14 Management Principles. The lean movement is therefore often referred to as the Toyota Way, because it derived from the Toyota Production System (TPS). In 2004, Dr. Jeffrey Licker, a University of Michigan professor of industrial engineering, published the Toyota Way. In his book, Licker calls the Toyota Way a system designed to provide the tools for people to continually improve their work and drive away inefficiencies from their processes. According to Licker, the 14 management principles of the Toyota Way are organized in 4 sections. Long-term philosophy. The right process will produce the right results. Add value to the organization by developing your people, and continuously solving root problems drives organizational learning. 14 management principles of the Toyota Way. Principle 1. Base your management decisions on a long-term philosophy, even at the expense of short-term financial goals. Principle 2. Create a continuous process flow to bring problems to the surface. Principle 3. Use pull systems to avoid overproduction. Principle 4. Level out the workload, work like the tortoise, not the hare. Principle 5. Build a culture of stopping to fix problems, to get quality right the first time. Principle 6. Standardized tasks and processes are the foundation for continuous improvement and employee empowerment. Principle 7. Use visual controls so no problems are hidden. Principle 8. Use only reliable, thoroughly tested technology that serves your people and process. Principle 9. Grow leaders who thoroughly understand the work, live the philosophy, and teach it to others. Principle 10. Develop exceptional people and teams who follow your company's philosophy. Principle 11. Respect your extended network of partners and suppliers by challenging them and helping them improve. Principle 12. Go and see for yourself to thoroughly understand the situation. Principle 13. Make decisions slowly by consensus, thoroughly considering all options, implement decisions rapidly. Principle 14. Become a learning organization through relentless reflection and continuous improvement. The Lean Business. Lean mission statement, producing products which surpass the expectations of the customer in an efficient and waste-free way. Lean thinking is, first, a passionate belief that there's always a simpler and better way of doing work. Second, a continuous drive to identify and eliminate waste and remove roadblocks to improvement. Third, the empowerment of employees to drive improvement, no blaming culture. Next, the rigorous application of lean tools and techniques in the whole organization. Let's now discuss why lean practices. What are the advantages? First, customer satisfaction. Lean identifies value as defined by customers' demand and delivers accordingly, thus leading to more satisfied customers. Value delivery and continuous improvement. Lean delivers value to customers in terms of faster and improved deliveries. Delivering first time right and continuous improvement. Removes waste. Lean removes wastes like defects, reduces work in progress and inventory, less rework and scrap, transport and physical waste and others, operational safety. Improves quality and productivity. Lean improves quality, shortens cycle time and increases production. Produces more per man hour, resulting in increased efficiency, productivity. Improves employee morale. Lean brings about greater employee morale, buy-in and participation in the business. Improves flow. Lean improves flow through value stream, resulting in better plant space utilization. Focus on pull. Lean focuses on pull, or demand-based flow manufacturing, rather than push. Reduce cost, maximize profits. Reductions in defects and rework, getting it right first time, reduces inventory, thus lean reduces operational costs and maximizing profits. Improved competitive advantage. Improvements in overall processes and value delivery to customers. Lean improves competitive advantage. Five Lean Principles. Let's discuss 5 Lean Principles now. First principle: define value. Value is defined by the customer. Define the value of the product or service in the eyes of the customer. Value is what the customer is willing to pay for. Value represents the need of the customer, the voice of the customer. Second principle is value stream mapping. Mapping process steps from inputs, raw material to final delivery to customer and identifying the process which add value and which do not waste. Third principle is create value flow. Lean flow refers to how people or process are moved from step to step, from the start of the process to the end. Provide a simple, slim, and swift process flow. Fourth principle is establish pull. Only produce enough to fulfill immediate demand. Production is driven by the customer demand. Pull means make to order, in which the production is based on actual demand. Fifth principle is seek perfection. Perfection means delivering consistently what the customer wants of high value, quality, right quantity when they want it, without delay, time, safe product, health, and at a fair price, affordable cost. Lean in a nutshell. Lean thinking consists of three aspects: a philosophy, a toolkit, and a methodology. It's a philosophy, stating that removing waste from a process is desirable and good business sense because you can lower the delivery cost without sacrificing quality. Deliver products quicker. Provide a flexible response to customers. Give customers just what they need at the best price. Second, it's a set of tools and techniques to support the philosophy. Literally hundreds, we will introduce some on this course. Third, it's a methodology to allow you to deploy the tools to remove waste. Please look at some of key lean terms and concepts. Tools. Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates.
For more on project management, Lean Six Sigma, export, import and GST and other related topics, please go through my YouTube presentations at below link. Subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Also don't forget to circulate to your contacts to spread knowledge. Thank you. For more details, contact SN.Panigrahi at below.